Well, if all of a sudden your tailgate on your car just won't stay up at all, there's only really one thing this can be, and that's your hydraulic tailgate lifts here. They are full of hydraulic fluid, and if the seals go bad and the fluid leaks out, that just won't work anymore. So I'm going to show you how to take those off and replace them. First thing you're going to want to do is prop the tail up with a nice safe. Okay, for the 2006 Honda Pilot, this is the part that I got. Amazon has the nice feature that if you have your car listed in your account, then it will tell you whether parts will fit your car. So I got two new lift supports. These little pieces here come separate, and just screw those on there. The old one, there's this little clamp right here. Just get a small enough screwdriver to go in here. As you pry, it's going to move up. Same thing on the bottom one. Okay. So these are mounted on these little nubs here, and they pop off pretty easy. I just got a good grip here and pulled. When the bottom one came, the top one popped off too. The only thing that makes it a little stiff is the weight of the trunk is pushing down on it. The new one popped on there pretty easy, pushed it on, and the top one, like, I'm gonna have to twist it to make it fit right. Just so you see what that looks like in there. That in there is what's grabbing onto the little socket joint. Push up on the trunk just enough to get that. Holding it with my right arm, pushing that. All right, now same thing for the other side. And I did that, the whole arm just came right. So one thing that wasn't very clear on the package or anything was, it doesn't explain to you, but there's one that's angled like that and the other end is straight. And it appears to me the angled one goes better on top. And then you have the cylinder on top, and then the pole comes out the bottom and the straight one goes there. And once you just pop those suckers on, that's really all it takes. And it does take two of them. One will not hold this trunk up. Two on, we can remove our 2x4 and we're back in business. It flies up now, but it also is a little harder to shut. That's gonna be a good working.
Save money, learn stuff, do it yourself.